Welcome to my channel. Today we're setting off on a virtual journey to uncover the 10 best places to visit in Mexico. From bustling cities and ancient ruins to pristine beaches and vibrant cultural spots, Mexico offers a diverse array of experiences. So buckle up and get ready to explore some of the most captivating destinations this beautiful country has to offer. 1. Mexico City. Mexico City is a bustling metropolis with a rich blend of history and modern life. Start at Zocalo, the Grand Central Square, where you can admire the Metropolitan Cathedral and explore the ancient ruins of Templo Maya. Wander through the stylish neighborhoods of Roma and Condesa, known for their trendy cafes and art scenes. Don't miss the Frida Kahlo Museum in Coyoacan and the panoramic views from Chapultepec Castle. This city is a vibrant mix of culture and history, making it a must-see. 2. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Mexico's most iconic archaeological sites. The El Castillo Pyramid, or Temple of Kukulkan, is the centerpiece, showcasing the Mayan civilization's architectural brilliance. Explore the Great Ball Court, Temple of the Warriors, and the sacred cenote, a natural sinkhole used for ancient rituals. This site offers an incredible glimpse into the rich history and culture of the Maya. 3. Cancun. Cancun is famous for its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters. The hotel zone is ideal for luxury stays, shopping, and vibrant nightlife. Take a day trip to Isla Mujeres for serene beaches and snorkeling. Cancun is also the gateway to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, perfect for snorkeling and diving adventures. Whether you want to relax or seek adventure, Cancun has it all. 4. Tulum. Tulum offers a perfect mix of history and natural beauty. The Tulum ruins, perched on cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea, provide breathtaking views and a glimpse into the ancient Maya. After exploring the ruins, unwind on Tulum's pristine beaches, or explore the nearby Siancan Biosphere Reserve, known for its diverse wildlife and beautiful landscapes. Tulum's blend of ancient and natural beauty makes it a unique destination. 5. Playa del Carmen. Located on the Riviera Maya, Playa del Carmen is known for its lively atmosphere and beautiful beaches. Quinta Avenida, the main street, is packed with shops, restaurants, and nightlife. Enjoy the sandy shores, or take a ferry to Cozumel for world-class snorkeling and diving. Playa del Carmen is also a great base for exploring nearby archaeological sites like Coba, where you can climb ancient pyramids. 6. Oaxaca. Oaxaca is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and delicious cuisine. The historic center features stunning colonial architecture like the Santo Domingo Church. Visit Monte Alban, an ancient Zapotec city with impressive ruins and panoramic views. Explore Mercado Benito Juarez for local crafts and culinary delights, including mole and tlayudas. Oaxaca's vibrant festivals, especially Dia de los Muertos, are a cultural highlight. 7. Cabo San Lucas. At the tip of the Baja California Peninsula, Cabo San Lucas is famous for its beautiful beaches and iconic rock formation, the Arch. Relax on Playa del Amor or Medano Beach and enjoy activities like snorkeling and paddleboarding. Cabo is also known for sport fishing and whale watching. The marina area offers a lively nightlife scene with numerous restaurants and bars. 8. Guadalajara. Guadalajara is a vibrant city known for its mariachi music and tequila. The historic center features the Guadalajara Cathedral and Teatro Degollado, a stunning neoclassical theater. A short drive away, the town of Tequila offers tours of distilleries, where you can learn about the production of Mexico's famous spirit. Guadalajara's rich cultural scene and delicious cuisine make it a fascinating destination. 9. San Miguel de Allende. San Miguel de Allende is a charming colonial town with picturesque streets and a thriving arts scene. The Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel, with its striking pink facade, is the town's centerpiece. Explore the cobblestone streets, visit local galleries, and shop at markets for unique crafts and souvenirs. San Miguel's festivals, including Dia de los Muertos, add to its vibrant atmosphere. 10. Copper Canyon. In northern Chihuahua, Copper Canyon is a natural wonder, offering stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures. The El Chepe Railway provides breathtaking views as it crosses the canyon. Visit the Tarahumara communities to learn about their culture and enjoy hiking trails with incredible vistas. This area rivals the Grand Canyon and is perfect for nature enthusiasts. Thank you for joining our tour of Mexico's top 10 destinations. We hope you enjoyed discovering these incredible spots. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. Share your favorite destination in the comments below. See you on our next journey.